Hello, hello. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we're going to go over our saved PDFs of our acknowledgements. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free. And once you've done that, it's going to download that firm template for you. You're going to go to Firm Templates, Tasks, and then you're going to find that template. You'll go ahead and click on it to review what it looks like. So we've got your saved PDFs of acts. Your status and priority is going to be assigned to a team member or role. We're going to change this to role. And we're going to change this to, tax repairs. It's going to start today and end today because you want to do it on the same day that you processed and the IRS has accepted or rejected your e-filed tax returns. So we're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. This is normally going to be part of your pipeline, but today we're going to assign it as one-off task so you can see what it looks like when it has been assigned to somebody. So the first thing you're going to do is click New. We're going to click Task. We're going to assign it to our test account, which is under my name. We're going to assign the templates. And here you can see everything that is involved in that task. It's going to start today and today. We're going to go ahead and click Create, and that's going to assign it to our client, as you can see here. Once it has been assigned to the client, you're going to go ahead and click again on Save PDF of Acknowledgements. And here's the full task. If you have any questions, please go ahead and reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.